Rolling here. Sure.
Welcome to Crown and Caliber How-To, where we show you the how-to on all the basics of watch collecting. Everything from changing your strap to setting the time. I'm Brandon, and I'm here to show you how to do those things and more so you can safely take care of those treasured timepieces. All right, so we have our flat, clean workspace with a nice soft surface so we don't scratch up our watches. We have our spring bar plier. We have our watch here, an Omega Speedmaster. What we did was we taped the lugs just in case we don't want to scratch it at all. And we have another watch here, Rolex GMT Master 2, with drilled lug holes. Some watches have drilled lug holes. This makes things a lot easier. It's a great thing. However, you do have a higher possibility of damaging your lugs a little bit. Because of that, I highly recommend that we use a spring bar plier instead, even if you do have drilled lug holes. The spring bar plier allows you to grab a hold of both ends of the spring bar so that you can gently remove the watch head without scratching the lugs. Also, it keeps the spring bar from flying across the room. All right, so we have our watch lugs taped up. Now let's remove this bracelet. So the first thing you want to do in order to safely remove your bracelet is find the little notches located on your spring bars. And then with your dominant hand, with your spring bar plier, go ahead and try to get it in the little opening here and grip the notches on the spring bars. Once your spring bar pliers are on those notches, go ahead and give it a squeeze and pull the case away. Pro tip, make sure that you pull the watch head away from the bracelet as opposed to the other way around. The watch head or the watch case is a lot more stable than you holding on to the bracelet with those little pliers. It makes it a lot easier. There you go. So now that we have the bracelet off, let's put a new strap on. With a strap, you have two pieces typically. You have one side with the holes and the one side with the buckle. The side that has the buckle goes at the 12 o'clock position of the watch, like so. We'll want to have the watch facing down. We'll want the strap facing down as well. Make sure it's at the 12 o'clock. It is. Get your spring bar pliers, give it a squeeze, and we'll move the watch head towards the bracelet or strap. Put it in position. Let go. You'll want to make sure that the spring bar is securely in those lug holes. Give it a nice little tug, nothing too hard. Yeah, securely in there. Now you have a watch that has drilled lug holes, so let's use a traditional spring bar tool, the rounded end, to remove this bracelet. Go ahead and apply pressure with your finger on the end link. Grab your spring bar tool, the rounded end, and insert it into the lug hole. You're going to apply pressure on your spring bar. You'll feel the spring bar go down, and then with your finger push back towards the watch so that the spring bar doesn't catch back in the hole. You're applying pressure to the end link so that when the spring bars disengage from the lugs, it'll pop out so that you can easily remove the bracelet. And then you could replace your bracelet with any strap that you want. All right, thanks for hanging out with me on this how-to journey. I'm Brandon, and this is Crown and Caliber How-To.